Welcome back to the Deep Charts channel. This tutorial will show you how to create these beautiful elevation maps using Python. As an example, I'm going to create a map of Mount Shasta, which is located in Northern California. I'll be using the Ridge Map package, which sources its topographic data from NASA's Shuttle Radar Topography mission, which was completed by the Endeavour shuttle in 2000. We'll start by installing the Python Ridge Map library through pip, and then we can import the Ridge Map function into our environment. We first need to create a bounding box for the area surrounding Mount Shasta. I use this interactive bounding box map I found when searching Google, which I'll link to in the video description below. I searched Mount Shasta, created a box around the area I wanted to map, and then went to the bottom of the page to output the geographic coordinates. Back in the notebook, I assigned these coordinates to a variable called Mount Shasta bbox. Next, we start the instance of the ridge map by putting the bounding box coordinates through the ridge map function and assign it to a variable called rm. We can then choose the number of lines that will display on the map. I'm going to choose 150. We save this to an object called values, which stores the elevation data. We can now pre-process the elevation data. Because the topography data does not encode water levels, we have to manually set them with the lake flatness and water end tile arguments. This takes some tuning, but based on your knowledge of the water level in an area, it shouldn't be too difficult to figure out. We then choose a vertical ratio value. Lower values will give you maps that look directly down onto the area. Higher values will give you a perspective of looking at the area from the side, as if you are on a plane or a helicopter. Finally, it's time to insert the pre-processed values variable to the plot_map function. In this function, you can add a map title, edit the width of the lines, and choose a color map. Running this line of code will output your elevation map. And that's it. All code for this tutorial and a link to the Ridge Map GitHub repository is accessible in the video description below. If you found this useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Deep Charts channel for more informative spatial data visualization videos.